Alright, dogs, and we are here in FL Studio. Welcome back to the channel. Guys, today I'm going to be doing a Pyrex Whippa type beat. It looks like you guys liked the last one, so I was like, let me do another one. And I found some samples this time. Don't know if they're going to work, but we're going to try them out anyway. I always try and figure that out. But yeah, if you guys haven't done so already, make sure you join the Discord, okay? The Discord is popping. I'm going to need you to do that. Alright, it's free. Just go ahead, link in the description, join it. To my live beat critiques there. I talked to all you guys there, and it's pretty dope. It's pretty fun. So join the Discord, and after you do that, don't forget to like, share, like the video, comment what you should do in the future in the comment section below, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Like, why are you not subscribed? Like, come on, just subscribe, and turn on post notifications as well. That's obviously mandatory. But yeah, with that being said, let's continue on to the beat. So I have the sample already chopped up. I didn't feel like going through it and chopping it up. Sounds like I don't know if I should play it. I don't know if I'll get a copyright strike, but this is a sample. Okay, that's what it sounds like. I'm just gonna chop it up. I might have something. I don't know. Wait a minute, hold on. This is a bit fast, don't you think? If only we just stretch it. Let's get these. Let's just get the 808 in. The melody does not really need any like additional sounds or counter melodies, because I mean it's like that's a lot. So where is it? I need to get a hi-hat. Oh no. Let's bring this down, and I don't think I can do that quite yet. I was gonna make it lower, but I mean the 808, the melody's kind of clashing in the line, so I gotta EQ. Okay, let's get some kicks on this. So drum pattern is pretty good so far, but I want to mess with the 808s. I want them to be like, once again, stutter 808s, or not 808s, hi-hats. I'm sorry. I want to mess with these a little bit. So I do like the spins, but I kind of want, it's not a not the 808 that I really want. I want to get that Pyrex Whippa sound. Like it's like a shorter 808. So I think it's not really a Zaytoven 808, but it's like a let's just duplicate that because I'm not in the mood. What happens if I reverse this too?
20 minutes later.
Okay, this is kind of hard. Hold up. Wait a minute. Hold on. Let's add some reverb to that because it kind of sounds a bit mad. So. EQ because the low end is not my friend. Hold on a second, I got something. Wait.
A few moments later.
Hold on, I got something, guys. And this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna duplicate this track and then have this the reversed 808. Wait a minute, that's kind of fire. This has to be on beat though, on like the. Well, guys, there it is, man. That is our Pyrex Whippa type beat. I was very pleased with that. I did not expect it to come out like that, but it did. So it's gonna be very, very interesting to edit. But if you haven't done so already, make sure you join the Discord, okay? The Discord is always popping, always live. Make sure you join that, okay? Don't want to miss what's going on in there. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. And we'll see you on the next one. Peace. Peace.